Welcome friends. Today we will discuss some simple crystal structures belonging to cubic crystal system. The simple crystal structures belonging to cubic crystal system that we are going to discuss today are simple cubic crystal system, body centered cubic crystal system and face centered cubic crystal system. So while studying these crystal structure, some important definitions are to be remembered. First definition is a coordination number. So coordination number is number of nearest neighboring atoms to a given atom in a unit cell. Second definition is atomic radius, which is half the distance between the nearest neighboring atoms. Next is the number of atoms per unit cell that we have to calculate. Actual number of atoms present in the unit cell. Last one is the packing fraction, which is the ratio of volume of number of atoms per unit cell and volume of the unit cell. So first crystal structure is simple cubic crystal structure. In simple cubic crystal structure, atoms are present only at the corners and each corner atom is common to the 8 unit cells. So if you find the number of nearest neighboring atoms to a corner atom, you will observe that there will be 6 nearest neighboring atoms to the corner atom, hence the coordination number is 6. Atomic radius is half the distance between the nearest neighbors. The distance between nearest neighbors is a for cubic crystal system and therefore atomic radius is a by 2. Number of atoms per unit cell is calculated as there are 8 corner atoms and each corner atom is common to 8 other unit cells. Therefore, contribution of single atom to a single unit cell is only 1/8, and as there are 8 corner atoms, the number of atoms per unit cell is 1 by 8 into 8 is equal to 1. So there is 1 atom per unit cell for simple cubic crystal system. And packing fraction, which is defined as volume of number of atoms per unit cell to the volume of unit cell. Since there is only 1 atom per unit cell and as the atom is spherical in nature, its volume is 4/3 pi r cube. Therefore, in a numerator you observe that 1 multiplied by 4/3 pi r cube divided by in denominator volume of the unit cell is nothing but a cube. So if you calculate all these things, you will get packing fraction as pi by 6 or 0.52. That means 50% of the volume of the unit cell in simple cube is occupied by the atoms and the rest is a free space. Next is body centered cubic crystal. In body centered cubic crystal, atoms are present at the corners of the unit cell, but there is 1 atom at the center of the unit cell as shown in the figure. So here the nearest neighbor to the corner atom is a body centered atom. So if you find the number of nearest neighboring atoms to the corner atom, you will observe that it is 8. Or if you take a body centered atom and if you find the number of nearest neighbors to the body centered atom, again it is 8. Therefore coordination number for the body centered cubic crystal system is 8. Atomic radius can be calculated because here the nearest neighboring atoms are not 2 corner atoms, but body centered atom and corner atom are the nearest neighbors. So if you apply the geometry and calculate the atomic radius as simple trigonometry, you will find that atomic radius is a into √3 divided by 4. Here the number of atoms per unit cell is 2. So contribution from corner atom will be 1 and a body centered atom which totally belongs to single unit cell which is 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. The number of atoms per unit cell for body centered cubic crystal is 2. The packing fraction as defined, volume of number of atoms per unit cell to the volume of unit cell. If you find the volume of 2 atoms which are spherical in nature with atomic radius a √3 by 4, you will observe that packing fraction comes to equal to 0.68. So that means 68% of the space in the unit cell is occupied by the atoms in body centered cubic crystal. Next is the face centered cubic crystal. In case of face centered cubic crystal, atoms are present at the corners of the unit cell, but there are atoms at the center of each face. So if you calculate the coordination number, you will observe that the nearest neighbor to the corner atom is another face centered atom. So if you calculate the number of nearest neighboring atoms to the corner atom, you will observe that there will be the 4 atoms in a plane, 4 atoms below the plane, 4 atoms above the plane. So there will be total number of 12 atoms which are nearest neighboring atoms to any corner atom. Therefore, coordination number for face centered cubic crystal is 12. Since the nearest neighbor to the corner atom is face centered atom, by using the trigonometry, it is observed that atomic radius of the face centered cubic crystal will be A divided by 2 root 2. The number of atoms per unit cell will be, the contribution from the corner atom will be 1, and each face center atom is common to 2 faces, and therefore contribution to single face of the face centered atom is 1/2, and as there are 6 faces, the total number of atoms per unit cell will be 1 by 8 into 8 plus 1 by 2 into 6 is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. There will be 4 number of atoms per unit cell in face centered cubic crystal. And the packing fraction, if you calculate the volume of 4 atoms with the atomic radius as A divided by 2 root 2, using the formula for the packing fraction, you will observe that the packing fraction is pi divided by 3 root 2, which is 0.74. Means 74% of the space of the unit cell in the face centered cubic is occupied by the atoms, and the rest of the space is a free space. So in summary, if you look at the cubic crystals and coordination number, atomic radius, number of atoms per unit cell and packing fraction, you will observe that face centered cubic crystal has a most fraction. So thank you.